Guys, let's say in regards to Udemy, like what are the steps we have to take before we have to publish a course. And guys, like if you are not aware what is Udemy, it is an online course site wherein you can go and learn about different aspects, like name any type of technology, name any type of domain, it is there in Udemy. Or else also, if you are an expert, if you are a teacher, and if you are an expert in any part of technology, you can even publish your course. Here I'm going to cover like how you can use Udemy basically for publishing your course, and what you have to do and what steps you have to take here. So once you have registered in Udemy, like there will be two options, one is student option, another is instructor option. So let's get on to instructor option. So as you go to the instructor option, the first thing you have to do is you have to go go for a new course. In the new course, there will be two options, guys. One is course, another is practice test. Practice test is basically for any certification exams like Scrum certification or any certification, name any certification. You can put your test here so that students will know like what kind of they can come and write their test basically before going into the actual certification. This course covers the actual contents. You can put your videos, you can put your articles, you can put your test here. So there are two types they are actually covering in terms of Udemy. So before getting on like whether I can put my course or not, so what I have to do is like first thing is that Udemy itself offer a tools option, which is like if you go like there will be a marketplace inside, guys. So in the marketplace inside, you can check like whether how much demand is having for this particular course. Let's assume I'm going to put Python here. So if you put Python here, like you could see like in Udemy, what is the demand? It is saying student demand is high, as well as number of courses is also high, and medium monthly revenue is $46, and top monthly revenue is $1,60,000. So if you see like Python is having 30%, I mean search keywords. Python for beginners, it is like that. With this search keyword, people are getting onto Udemy. And if you see the channels, Udemy itself, Udemy Discovery, Udemy Search, and outside sources, this much is coming. And Instructor itself is giving a promo, and Udemy ads and affiliates. So like that, you can check for any course, guys, like whatever course if you want to publish in Udemy. Before that, you can come and check it here. Okay, now you have decided your course, like you are going to start with your course, guys. So once, as soon as you start with your course, I mean, as soon as you start with your course, what will happen is you will get an, so let me go here. So you will get an option like this, like you could publish this and all. This part I will explain, but as soon as you start with the course, like go to the pricing option and integrate your payment gateway. I mean, you have to integrate your bank details. It will take 1 week to 10 days, guys, to get your payment details, I mean gateway approved by the gateway provided by Udemy. So because your course, any of whatever course you are going to publish, it will you will take time to publish it, because it has its own process. You have to add your videos, you have to add your contents, and if you have any text, it will take like 1 week to 10 days. And let's assume like you have published, you have completed your course. Now you have to send it to Udemy for quality check. So how much time it will take is, it will take around 6 to 7 days for first quality check. Then again they will do a verification, that will take another 6 to 7 days, and again they will do a quality check, again that will take another 6 to 7 days. Almost 18 to 20 days it will take for your course to get published roughly. But in Udemy they will say like 6 to 7 days they will get everything done, but the fact is it will take 18 to 20 days. So now your course is published. Like what you have to do, like first you have to advertise your course. For that you could give promotions. So Udemy itself provides an option to give promotions, guys. Like you can go here and you can create your coupons. So every month I think you can create 3 coupons, like current best price 360 rupees, custom price between 490 to 1080, and this first coupon expires in 5 days and it expires in 31 days, and free also they provide free coupons and it expires in 3 days, unlimited coupons, and 31 this is expires in 31 days. So this coupons initially as a free coupon, you can target, you can bring the people, and you can make sure that you are getting maximum reviews. Slowly your course will get highlighted, guys. So, and also you have one more promo24coupons.com, coupons24.com, wherein you can go and publish, submit your free coupon here, and this particular coupons, it is basically for Udemy. and they will send visitors to your particular course as soon as you submit your free coupon, guys. And if you go to the site, you can go to check on udemy.com, and you can see like how many, how much others have earned, whether it is having market, and how many students have enrolled in each and every course you can see. But on the other side, it is not a fast way of earning. Like you have to say that you are going to put your expertise as a course, and you are going to submit in Udemy. You can consider that as a repository, because Udemy doesn't charge anything for establishing your course. So that's a very good thing with Udemy. Perhaps on the longer run, might be you will get if your course is very well, but in a very shorter run, you will not get that much good revenue. Like basically, you can consider in this way, like you are converting your expertise as a course, and you are making sure that entire world is getting the knowledge out of your course. And in this way, you are going to target the entire world, not only your specific region. So you can get students from the entire world, guys. So that's it, guys. These are the preliminary steps you have to follow before you as soon as your course is getting published, or before your course is getting published, you watch this, so that it will be much helpful. And guys, please subscribe to my channel, so that you will not miss any of my videos in terms of because I put courses on Scrum, I put courses on Udemy, I put courses on Python, and lot other aspects, Amazon, dropshipping. So just subscribe, you will not miss anything. Thank you.